Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our 8.5, 18 Colorado cargo trailers in stock. These are set up to be multi-use units for you guys, so you can camp, haul, work, play. They're insulated, windows, power, AC, and that's what we specialize in here at Colorado Trailers. You can view all of our inventory right at getmytrailer.com. Send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. We ship. You can purchase any of our units online, and we like to make it easy. So again, this is an 8.5 by 18 set up with a lot of goodies on it. This is an optimal unit for highway travel. We've got a lot of personal experience with this 8.5, 18 spread torsion axle setup. When you spread the axles apart, it cuts down on wagging and swaying, which is great for when you're in the wind and when you have a torsion axle underneath you. It also gives you an independent suspension, so it's going to ride and tow better automatically because of that. And like I said, I can't say enough good about this size trailer with this setup. We've been in some pretty windy situations and our trailer has just done amazing. So again, great setup for that. So anyway, this is a white blackout package. Great color. If you guys are in a hotter climate, it's going to stay a lot cooler. You do have the black diamond plate rock guard, V-nose guard, and corner guard right there. So it looks really nice, a lot cooler than just having a standard white trailer with a plain old boring silver trim. Side door has the RV lock and cam bars, so you've got double lock protection there, a couple party lights off the side, and then again there's those two 3,500-pound torsion spread axles, brakes on all fours, really nice aluminum wheels. It is equipped with power, so you do have an exterior GFI outlet, which is that little box that you guys can see there next to the side door. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back, 7-foot interior height. This is a perfect size trailer if you guys have big UTVs. It's a great setup for that, and with that extra interior height, it will allow most of them to fit in here, absolutely no problem. Load lights off of the back, so you've got some exterior light at night. Ramp door, of course, so you can load and unload your toys. You've got the black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb. Gutters over the side door and your ramp door, 3-year factory warranty. This trailer weighs 2,500 pounds. It's gonna give you about a 4,500 pound payload capacity. Back side of your RV lock gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And again, this unit is insulated. So you've got insulated walls and ceiling in here with a beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. It's nice and bright, easy to take care of and keep clean. Couple of windows. These are our tinted lockable windows with screens. So you've got good versatility there, as well as a MaxAir roof vent in the back for some additional ventilation. This also comes with our Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. This is the exact same floor we stick in our off-road trailers. It's one of the most durable floors we can find out there, and it's set up to last a whole lot longer than a wood floor. So great floor in here, especially for toys. This trailer is equipped with our standard setup with lighting. We've got how we usually run everything, 6 puck lights on the interior, and these puck lights, as well as the party lights outside, load lights off the back, are ran off this handy little battery right here. So you've got a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. That's going to allow you to have light again without having to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator. And then you do have 30 amp service. With this cord, you take the cord, pop it right through the cord port right there, and you can plug into a generator, campground extension cord, however you're going to bring 110 power into the trailer, and that will power up your 4 interior outlets. You've got 3 there in the front plus 1 here in the back. It's also going to power up your overhead 4-foot LED lights, so you've got some great light in here if you guys really need it. These puck lights are very sufficient, but if you just need to take it one step further, you've got that option. And of course, you've got switches for everything. It's also going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. This is a Dometic unit, and you guys can see you do have the ability to heat and cool in here and have some climate control as well. So again, great setup. We like to make it easy for you guys to purchase trailers, and we like to give you a product that you can get a lot of use out of with having all these amenities. So give us a call, 303-688-8485. But in our COVID world, always email us first. It's probably the best place to catch us at sales@getmytrailer.com, or just go right to the website, getmytrailer.com. We've got a lot of information on there for you guys. Again, you can purchase anything online or shoot us an inquiry to get this trailer shipped to your door. So again, we'd love to earn your business. And if you guys are watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.